Sawadika, welcome to tastepatthai.com, and my name is Mel. Since spring and summer is on the way, I'm going to make Thai beef salad. Beef salad is really simple. You have to make a dressing. The dressing, you need lime juice, fish sauce, and chili paste, nam phik pao. And this chili paste is not spicy. Beef, I already marinate, simple marinade with garlic, seasoning sauce, and cilantro and black pepper. And the rest is you need shallot, bell pepper, tomato, cucumber, cilantro. First you make dressing first, put fish sauce, lime juice. If you're not quite sure, just use ratio 2:2 for everything. And chili paste. And mix it together. I'm going to cook the beef. You can barbecue, grill. I'm going to put on the pan here. I like my beef to be well done. Once the beef is finished, I'm going to start to assemble my salad. So I put cucumber, tomato, and the rest beef. And we top with dressing and toast it. I hope you enjoy having this Thai beef salad and enjoy cooking it.